Got Hester 781 here. It's late. It's cold. I just actually got back from a voyage. All this crap you see before you was in this bucket. And it had a price tag of $30. Come get it. And he just said it was just a bunch of stuff that he had. And this was overflow from his stuff. And the whole reason I went out there was because sitting on the top was this set of Allen wrenches. I have the same exact set at work, and they're my favorite. They were made by Gear Wrench. They got discontinued because people kept breaking them, and because they would put too much torque on them. So the two main things in the picture were this and that. And everything else was just kind of, I'm chalking it up to junk. But, yeah, come on. Slap-on extractor set. No drill bits, but, the extractors are what you'd like to be, quality made anyway. That one's seen better days. But $30, I mean, like I said, the whole reason was this. I can't find this set anywhere, and I've been hunting eBay and watching for a long time. So everything else I find here is just going to be gravy. One of which I actually started working on already. Focus. It's a pair of Knipex. You can't really tell. Knipex cutters. They were very rusted. Few seconds on the grinder wheel, a little bit of heat and some oil, and nice set of side cutters. And I just literally dumped this bucket out 2 seconds ago, so I figured turn the camera on because I'm already starting to see some good shit. So, I mean, let's start pressing on through. I mean, we got a just a regular hacksaw. A couple of these, I have no idea what this is. It looks like it might have been like a rubber exhaust hanger puller, and the tip's just broken off. If anybody has seen this or used it, let me know. There's no marks on it. I already looked up and down the shaft. Caulking gun, another hacksaw, some Craftsman screwdrivers. It's just, I don't even know if I'm going to get through all this in the video. A couple of no-name needle nose. Speed wrench. Who makes it? Oh, focus. Craftsman, Flying V. It's a nice oldie. Ooh, another one. Another Craftsman, 3/8 speed wrench. Seeing some nice, well, I say nice because Craftsman's different now, but some old school Craftsman ratchets. What is that? Vice grips. These are the DeWitts. There's one. There's two. There's junk. And there's three. So, I mean, those alone are pulling a great price these days because, as you guys know, they're just junk, what they're making now. Are these another? Yep. There's four. Anything else good? A couple of metal cutters, some nippers. Ooh, Maxwell's test light. Think she works? Let's see. Let there be light. Score. This is my corral of batteries to keep tended over the winter. Let's see. Some sort of a vacuum gauge. Yep, vacuum gauge. I think I have that same one actually at work. 4 to 7 spade. Is a something. Don't know what that is. Hammer. Hammer time. Nice. Compressor nipples. Can always use those. Mac Tools. Big knuckle buster screwdriver. Big ass chisel. I'm just kind of combing through the stuff that looks like it could be good. Nice rasps. Handful of files. Like, an unnecessary amount of files. I don't know who needs little Leatherman. Little buck knife. I thought I saw a bigger version. Yep. Yeah, this is bigger. I don't know if it's actually buck or if it's just Chinesium. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a no-name. No-name knockoff. I'm really sorry if this video is just crappy quality. Ooh. Nice mason bits. I'm kind of half looking through the screen and half looking with my eyes. So yeah. Ooh, another pocket knife. Oh, it's an old Scout. Brings me back to when I was a lad. And a pair of no-name nippers. I think those are the highlights, guys. Other than that, just a ton of files. Nicholson, that's good. There was one other thing. I think this is, yeah, a coaxial crimper. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway. And was there anything else? I thought there was one other thing that I pulled out. Nope. I guess that's it. Alright guys, just a quick one for today. I'm hoping to get some more videos out. I've been in a lot of pain lately. My back went out on me, so I haven't had much shop time. But stay tuned. I'll be posting some more. Until next time, bye.